Right, I'm going to change a stuffed centre bearing, as you see, rather had it. And in the process of, I have to take off the universal joint, which this one was blue in here, which indicates it's got hot, therefore worn. False economy says you wouldn't change that. I've previously undone the centre nut, which then allows the hammer, here, then allows the yoke with the aid of a hammer. I've got to go and get a hammer. Hang on. Then allows the yoke to be removed. He says. The yoke to be removed.
So it's quite a tricky job.
With the screwdriver we'll mark vertical. Mark vertical so I can get this back in the same plane. Slide off that uni, back off the bearing.
So that bit goes back on.
That's rubbish. We have a new bearing.
So that was the bit that was split?
That was the bit, that rubber there,
yep.
Splits. It's a very common fault. This one.
Wow.
And that slides back on there. I've got the wrong, I'm at the wrong ute really. I've got all my other tools are at my other ute. Tap that on, so it's home.
Which bit is lined up then?
Then I lined that to my mark. So vertical to vertical. And could have gone the wrong way up. Vertical to vertical and back on it slides. Nut on.
That's the nut you undid with the...
That's the nut I undone with the rattle gun previously, which I shall have to go and do back up with the rattle gun before I change the universal joint.
Okay. And this is the bit that you didn't know was...
This bit you don't know is, well, unless it's really loose, you don't know it's had it until you take it apart. This one was actually blue on the bearing joint, bearing faces. So it feels good, but it's blue, so for the sake of $25 you change it.
Right.
So back out the back to the rattle gun.